बैकग्राउंड नॉइज मैं जब भी लेके बैठती हूँ कोई ना कोई पीछे से चिल्लाता जरूर है. सो इनको नहीं पता कि मेरे पास माइक नहीं है. My brother clicked this picture. I used to take him to my terrace and I'm like, खींचो मेरी picture. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope it's amazing for all of you all. So if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ishita and I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, anything and everything that comes to my mind. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell notification and also follow me on my Instagram. It won't cost you a penny but will make my entire day. So please do that. I would really appreciate. And now, having said that, we'll right by the title of the video. I'll be reacting to my old pictures. Now, I'll be embarrassing my own self, which is unlikely because I'm really scared of people embarrassing me. So, it's just very difficult for me to embarrass myself. I am not sure how will this video turn out to be. I hope it turns out well. Fingers crossed. But let's see how that goes. Basically, if you don't know what we really do is, I'll just be going through my old pictures from like 5-10 years back. And I'll just react to it as to how I feel about it right now and things like that. So we'll see how that goes. Without much ado, we'll jump into the video. So I have my pictures on this other phone of mine. So the first photograph, I'll start from the bachpan, okay? I'll start a couple of pictures from my childhood. So this one is the first one. This is with my brother, by the way, and he looks super cute. I don't, I think. And this one is very old. That's why I have actually clicked this picture from a photograph. That's why it's very hazy and it's very like that. But I think it is cute. Like we both look cute, I think. What do you think? Be sure to leave a comment down below as to how and which pictures you liked or you didn't like, so that we know your opinion as well. I just love this picture. It's so cute. It's so warming, and I'm smiling and my brother is like nothing, and he's just looking so cute. Okay, so this is the next picture, which is in a car. This was our first ever car, and it has got a lot of emotions because it was our first. So of course, firsts are always great. I am not sure what car was it, but it's something was of the I range only. And my brother looks cute, I look cute, and we were going to school perhaps. And yeah, it's a very cute picture. Love the picture. I think I can go back to being a kid again because काफी सारे responsibilities है यार. मतलब there's so many responsibilities after you have grown up to a certain age, and you just want to do so many things, but you're not aware as to how to do it. Yeah, so it's a mess. And I don't know why kids are becoming adults these days, but yeah, I mean being a kid is amazing. कोई बात नहीं. तो अभी ये वाला मेरा पिक्चर पे जाते हैं. ये जो मैं पटियाला पहन के रखी हूँ विद अ ब्लैक कलर्ड टॉप. नाउ दिस टॉप इज नॉट अ टॉप, इट्स अ लेगिंग्स, एंड आई हैव कट द लेगिंग्स एंड मेड दिस क्रॉप टॉप सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. इट डज नॉट लुक गुड, ट्रस्ट मी, इट लुक्ड pathetic, but वो पिक्चर्स में अच्छे लग रहे थे, तो आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट. एंड व्हाटएवर ओल्ड लेगिंग्स वी यूज्ड टू हैव, आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू कट इट आउट एंड ऐसा टॉप बनाती थी. वो सिर्फ पिक्चर्स में ही काम आते थे. इट्स जस्ट ऑफ नो यूज. एंड आई थिंक बैक इन द डे देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेंड्स व्हेन पीपल वर कटिंग देयर लेगिंग्स, एंड काफी हर जगह थे. सो दैट्स द रीजन आई हैव एक्चुअली कट इट माई सेल्फ. दिस पिक्चर बैक इन द डे, एंड राइट नाउ I don't sort of like it, but it's fine. I think it's okay. This picture is like 5 years old probably. It's more than 5 years probably. So yeah, that's there. I was skeptic as to whether
No! God, please, no! No!
I should show this picture or not, because this picture is kind of weird because I don't really know. When I clicked this picture, I clicked it via my brother. So my brother clicked this picture. I used to take him to my terrace and I'm like, खींचो मेरी picture. So ये पता नहीं कहाँ से क्या पोज मारा मैंने. I like the outfit here though. I really like the outfit. So fashion sense तो ठीक ही थे पहले भी. I don't like the shoe that I'm wearing. It's pathetic and it's gifted to me by someone I really don't like. So yeah, that's there. But I'm very doubtful about this picture. I do not hate it or I don't like it. I don't know how I feel about this picture. So in the comments down below, do you like it or are you like, Ishita, that picture sucks? I mean, are you like that? So I get an opinion there. So I'll now hop onto my Facebook account just to see a few old pictures because I have a lot of good pictures on my phone, to be honest. Facebook में ना काफी सारे weird pictures डाल के रखे थे मैंने काफी सारे delete कर दिए हैं because मुझे काफी weird लगते थे, but कुछ मैंने रखा है because just to feel that nostalgia kind of a vibe. Initial pictures तो काफी अच्छे हैं. ये वाले pictures भी काफी पुराने हैं, but I think this picture is so pretty. I think, and the caption, "One smile can't change the world, but yours definitely changed mine," is a cliche caption, but I kind of love this picture from 2017, so it's not that old, but yeah, it's a pretty picture. I really like how I look here and all of that. So yeah, this is the next picture. I am not very confident about this picture. To be very honest ना, मतलब I used to feel that this picture is very pretty back in the day, but आज मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. And इसके caption, "If you want to get together, well then you have to get her."
A minute. Who are you?
Ow. That's such a good caption. I actually feel that the caption is actually nice. So yeah, that is something that will go up on my Instagram very soon because I really like the caption. Pictures से ज़्यादा तो मुझे caption पढ़ने में मजा आएगा. Trust me, not kidding. I'm not sure if I should show my friends' picture or something, but I'll show this picture because it's my best friend's and I think she'll be okay with me showing her picture. So yeah, this is from 2016. It's from my birthday and I kind of I don't like the picture at all. It just makes me look very weird, sort of. I don't know. I kind of don't like this picture. But it was a great day, 13th March 2016. I remember it was an amazing day. We didn't go out, but we were indoors and it was amazingly fun. So yeah, that's there. But the picture is not great. And yeah, I mean, just see the expressions, you guys. I mean, this shows that I was a 90 kid and bachpan mein main aisi thi because everybody was doing something like this or the other. So I was probably not the only person doing something like that. I hope so. Yeah. This is the next picture. I kind of like the picture. Now, if you know me, you would know that bachpan mein, when I was young, in the year 2016, 15, 16, I used to click aise hi pictures. So I used to just do it like this and used to click a lot of selfies back in the day. And वो ऐसे ही pictures थे, या तो कोई हंस के या तो कोई weird सा face बना के करती थी, because I was always a little cautious and I was always a little cautious about the way I looked and all of that. So these pictures, this one is taken from YouCam Perfect. If you know, it just makes your skin very perfect. So that's there. That's why the color is like that. And now I don't use the application. This was one of my favorite pictures back in the day, but now I do not like the picture. Again the same ऊपर से thing. You'll see me looking upwards because मैं ऊपर से picture लेती थी. I thought that I used to look thinner as well as ऊपर से लेने से I used to look better. So that was also there. So yeah, that's the reason I used to take it from here. This picture is nah. I remember the top, you guys. The top that I'm wearing here now, it was so bad. वो सिर्फ पिक्चर के लिए पहना था मैंने, बाद में मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कभी पहना. Any which ways. Moving on to the next picture, it's this one. I kind of loved the picture back in the day. I got so many compliments. I don't know for what reason, but I did get a few compliments for this picture back in the day. अभी तो कोई नहीं देगा मुझे, I'm sure. But back in the day, it did. I mean, people did give me a lot of compliments. And ये Snapchat से लिया हुआ था. So yeah, it's again आप देखोगे मैं ऊपर से ही ले रही हूँ. मैं हमेशा ऊपर से ही लेती थी पहले because I said the reason. So yeah, that's there. Nobody gives a damn about how you look after a certain point in time. I think it's all good. It's all okay. So now this picture of mine was with my friends. I'm just cropping up my friends. I'm not sure if they'll be okay with me showing the whole picture of theirs. But it was me, and again, fashion sense is good, I would say, but I kind of like the picture, to be honest. And this was the time when chokers was very trendy, okay? I was really a fan of chokers and I used to love chokers. So this was that time, and yeah, I mean, ठीक है. And ये भी 2016 के हैं. There's another picture which is hilarious. This picture is even older, so it's from 2015, and it's just crazy. It's crazy. I don't have words to explain, but I don't like the picture. I don't know how to say this, but I hate that picture of mine. I mean, it's just pathetic. Yeah, so these are the few pictures that you have seen from me being a kid. I think I've changed quite a bit from the person I was to the person I am now. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like the video so that I know that you enjoyed the video. Having said that, I'll take your leave. Have a great day and stay safe and take care of your family and enjoy your life. Bye.